bit late to react on Thalapathy Vijay CDP birthday poster. But anyway, so today I'm gonna react on Thalapathy Vijay birthday CDP poster. But before I start, hello everyone, I'm Monali Naik. Welcome to my channel, रखने वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा, तो please do subscribe my channel. So let's go. So before I start reacting on a poster or anything as such, I just want to say that I have reacted on so many scenes, so many trailers or so many songs of Thalapathy Vijay. And what do I find common in all those things is the swag of Thalapathy Vijay, the style which he carries, and the style which I'm talking about, as you all guys know, that the way he eats his chewing gum is the favorite style of mine. The way he does this thack and the chewing gum goes in his mouth and everything. That is my favorite style, the favorite swag, and that is something I enjoy throughout the video the most. And I love that style like anything. So, something which is very common in all the videos, all the scenes or trailers or whatever is his swag, and I simply loved it. So of course, in the poster, I'm again expecting swag, and that should be there for sure. So let's go. So first of all, while I'm opening this poster, what do I found is everything is golden in color. So golden, it's eye pleasing. It's looking rich. You can say it's giving a very rich feeling. You can say, and something which will never age kind of feeling I'm getting. So this feeling is I'm getting after watching the poster, the background, the golden color. So what is the golden is the symbol of? It will take you back to the Raja Maharaja time and give you the feeling of Raja Maharaja time ka jab wo time pe everybody used to wear gold, the Taj used to be of gold, the seat used to be of gold, everything used to be of gold. Okay, so here I can see Thalapathy Vijay not wearing gold, but background is gold, which is giving a very rich feeling, Raja Maharaja wali feeling it is giving for sure. And what is the symbol of gold? I guess this is a symbol of royalty, which I can see that from the poster. It is a symbol of power, you can say, which I can see from the poster again. It is a symbol of positivity, and I'm getting some soothing vibrations from this post, and it is like cheering my soul. So the background and the edit is super because it is giving cheers to your soul. This is the biggest compliment I can say. And I know that this poster must be loved by Thalapathy Vijay as well. He must be overwhelmed. I know his birthday is like on 22nd, but people are celebrating it pehle se hi, that this is the excitement, the craze of his fans, and that is wow, awesome. And he must be amazed watching this poster for sure. So this is what I'm talking about background, the editing was superb. It is giving a rich feeling, ageless feeling actually. Now I'll be talking about the look of Thalapathy Vijay, of course. Look into his eyes. Isn't it awesome? The way he's looking. It's mesmerizing, man. It's like you will get crazy looking into his eyes, and I'm getting crazy looking into his eyes. The look is wow. The jacket, the coat and everything which is wearing, the dress and everything is awesome. Is wearing black from top to bottom, only the white collar you can say, and black shoes, everything is there. But the black is suiting him like anything, and it is suiting with the background as well. It is matching the background as well. So the black which he is wearing is mind blowing. He's looking handsome in this black. I can't take my eyes off him. He is like the look, the eyes of his is something which is speaking more in this poster, which is like roaring in this poster, I can say. And that's the reason I'm like stuck into his eyes. And the dress and everything is superb. Talking about the hairstyle, which is done perfectly, which is extremely perfect. Talking about the beard and everything, it is trimmed perfectly. It is been shown in a very perfect manner. The style which he's sitting, I always say he's having a very different swag in his body and a very different style in his body. So every actor have a very different style, but his swag is very different. I can say the way he's sitting. Come on, look at it. The way he's sitting. Like, can I can I just try how the way he's sitting? That it is like this, and stick in his hand. Okay, I can't try because I'm not as mind blowing as him. But the stick in his hand indicates what, I can't say that, but it is looking nice. I think it is used only for the style purpose. So it is looking nice. The way he's sitting is looking royal. The legs are crossed. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने लेग एक के ऊपर एक रखा है, it's mind blowing. This swag is very different, I can say. You can see swag in each and every chote point of him, and that is superb, mind blowing. I am just loving it. Look at him, man. He's looking very young, very young. When I first reacted on this song, I guessed his age must be like some 27 or 28, because he's having a very sweet and a very cute face. So I guess his age must be like 27, 28. That song was, I know, that song was Andakanna Pataka. I guess it was, that song was of Master movie only. So people in the comment section asked me like, tell me what do you think, what is his age? I was like, he must be 27, 28. They were like, no, he's 45. And I was like, are you serious? He's 45? He's having such a cute face, such a sweet face, you know, like you can do this, continue. So he's looking very, very, very cute. So the cute face is looking very smart in this poster. The eyes is speaking a lot, and it is wow. So what is written behind? I asked one of his fan who shared this poster with me. I asked him that what is written behind. So it is written Thalapathy Vijay, because come on, without talking about it, my poster reaction would be incomplete. So I asked him about it. So he said it is Thalapathy Vijay. The way it is written and presented is looking superb. There is a lion thing, lion only, na? Huh? There's a man holding that Thalapathy Vijay with his hand, and the lion above him is looking super. It is looking royal actually. Raja Maharaja के time पे ये लेके जाएगा poster, I told you, and it is giving me that feeling only. It is giving me a feel like it is a poster of a movie or something like that. A movie like you can say Saira, Bahubali, or what was that movie which was about to release now? RRR, some movies like that, a huge movies like that. So it is giving me a feel like it is a poster of a huge movie like RRR, Saira, Bahubali, and something like that. So the poster is done very, very, very perfectly, because if it is giving me a feel of a movie poster or a poster, with then it means wow. ऊपर लिखा है हैप्पी बर्थडे. Even I am waiting for his birthday, to be very frank, because I have seen his fan going crazy in my comment section, and they are showering love on him as well as me for sure. So I am also waiting for his birthday, and I hope there must be something very huge on his birthday as well. There is a sun shining extremely bright behind Thalapathy Vijay, but उससे भी ज़्यादा अगर कोई shine कर रहा है, because Thalapathy Vijay is having a very shining personality, तो Thalapathy Vijay is taking all the limelight from the poster, of course. Shining sunlight से भी ज़्यादा अगर कोई सारा limelight ले रहा है, तो it is Thalapathy Vijay for me. So the sun is shining very bright, and there are small people below there sitting. There are small people below who is holding flag, and I guess this is the symbol, like they are his fans who is here to support him. And Thalapathy Vijay is only the one who's very huge, and everything is like very, very chota sa. So like a shining personality, I said he's having a very huge personality, I said. So which is being represented here as well. There are clouds in the background and sun in the background. Everything is superb. I really don't know what does that flag indicates, the red flag actually. But I guess this is what this is his fans might be. These are my guesses, okay? So I am extremely excited. If I'm not wrong, Thalapathy Vijay birthday is on 22nd. Am I right? So I am also excited for his birthday, and I want you guys to let me know if anything has been updated, like any poster, any music video, any trailer video, or anything for Thalapathy Vijay has been updated, and you want me to react on it. You let me know in the comment section below, not here, on my second channel, which is Winky Mona, because there I am reacting on music videos and everything, because this channel is facing some issues, and that's the reason I'm not reacting any music trailer, song, or anything as such on this channel. So you will have to let me know on the Winky Mona channel, and you'll have to subscribe that channel as well. So this was my reaction on the Thalapathy Vijay birthday CDP poster. So this is wow. The rich feel of the poster was wow actually. What do you feel about my reaction? Do let me know in the comment section below. I come up with videos every day, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki, parat ni aleच, ha? Bye.